Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today in this video I'll show you guys how can you easily change the size of your taskbar in your Windows 11 PC. So let's jump right into it. Now if you try to right click on it and then tap on taskbar settings, you might find some options here, but none of them changes the size of the taskbar. So Microsoft in the future is probably gonna add that option here, but now since it's not here, let me show you how to do it. First, go to this search bar right here and search for regedit and open the registry editor. So once we open the registry editor and wait for it to load up, it's gonna look like this. First, open HK current user, this one, and then we go ahead and find software, this one. Now under software, look for Microsoft. So here it is, Microsoft, open it. Now under Microsoft, we need to go ahead and look for Windows. Here it is. Now under Windows, it's going to be current version. Let's go ahead and open current version, this one right here. And then let's go ahead and find Explorer now. Here it is. Now under Explorer, open Advanced. And this is where we need to be. Now here we need to go ahead and right click and then tap on New and create a new DWORD 32 bits value. It's going to be this one right here. Go ahead and open it or create one and just name it Taskbar SI, just like that. Tap on OK now. Now what you need to do is open it or double click on it, and then here, as you can see guys, we can change the number, the value right here. If you want your taskbar to be smaller, keep it at 0 and then tap on OK and then restart your PC. If you want it to be medium, which is basically the same size, this one right here, you need to type 1 and then tap OK, and then again to see the results you need to restart your PC. If you want your taskbar to be bigger, type here 2, tap on OK, and then you need to restart your PC again. So 0, you make it smaller, 1, you make it, or you don't change it, basically it's medium, it's the default size. 2, it's going to be bigger. Choose the one you want, tap on OK, and you need to restart your PC to see the results right here. And that's basically, guys, how can you easily change the size of your taskbar on your Windows 11 PC. That's it for this video, guys. I hope it was useful. If it was, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one. And as always, thank you so much for watching and see you in future videos.